My Chemical Romance by the Realist Final Judgment, the Chairwoman, alongside his 5A9 Dragon. My Chemical Romance, the Chairwoman, down on the inside Final Judgment, 5A9 Dragons, Starbucks Fancy is racing fifth, and Nato Princess, and nearing the far turn, the Chairwoman, followed by My Chemical Romance. Getting closer is 5A9 Dragon. Final Judgment racing forward by Santulay, Starbucks Fancy, Nato Princess, and he's got the loop. As they swing from the Chairwoman, My Chemical Romance, 9 Dragon on the further outside. And nearing the last 250, the Chairwoman by a length and a half. 5A9 Dragon from the outside, but still the Chairwoman, 5A9 Dragon. The Chairwoman by 2 lengths now. And finally, number 4, the Chairwoman, 5A9 Dragon. 5, My Chemical Romance, Final Judgment, Starbucks Fancy, Nato Princess, and It's Got the Look.